Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to share with you guys the easy way I prepare my okra to use in my okra soup. See, I love okra soup, but the only thing that deters me from making okra is cutting the okra. Cutting okra is so tedious and so boring. I don't enjoy doing it at all, and that's why sometimes I don't even bother cooking okra. But since I discovered this method, I've been cooking okra back to back. So let me show you guys how to do that. So first of all, prep your okra, wash the okra, remove the head of the okra, okay, and then pour it into a food processor and use the pause button, okay, pause, okay, and then let it blend for between 5 seconds to 10 seconds until you achieve your desired size. Okay, so this is how it is looking at this time, and it is still too bulky, it is too large for me. I decided to blend it more until it becomes smaller. So that is what I did here. I didn't plan to film this video, okay. This is not like a complete recipe because I did not show the whole process that I used to prepare the soup. I've already started making the soup, and when I got to this point of blending okra, I remember I haven't shown my people how I use food processor to make this quicker. So I'm like, let me just show you guys, okay. So if you want like a complete recipe video for this whole soup, I can film that if anyone is interested, okay. So this is what the okra is looking like. I transfer them into this large bowl. If you like your okra chunky, just blend it for fewer seconds and you achieve this size, okay. But if you want it more tiny, just blend more and then it will be like this. I got this okra from the farm. I harvested this okra myself from the farm. It is so fresh, so fresh. Now that the okra is prepped, I'm going to transfer it into my pot, okay. So this pot has different types of meat. It has turkey, it has shaki, it has goat meat, it has momo, it has dry fish and stockfish and etc, okay. So this is the base of the soup. I have bell peppers here. There's no oil in the soup. I didn't add any oil at all. It's just red bell pepper that I used to color the soup, and then all that proteins. I've already seasoned this base. I've added seasonings and crayfish and pepper, and the last part is just adding the vegetable, which is the okra. I did not add any other vegetable to this soup. It's just plain okra vegetable soup, okay. So just mix everything together, and here you have your vegetable okra soup. This is so good, so good, and so healthy, guys. There's no fat in this soup. There's no oil, just red bell peppers and proteins, and then the vegetable okra. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.